In this video, I'll show you how to create a single new Möbius user using the Add User option. If you want to create many new users at once in bulk, be sure to check out the alternative way to create new users with the Import Users from Roster, Help Topic, and Video Guide. Note that in order to create a new user, your system role needs to have the user creation privilege. Check out the View User Roles Help Topic to see if you have the right privileges or not. To create a single new user, click the System User Manager menu from the System homepage, and then click Add User. Define the system role using the system role dropdown of the new user that you're about to create. In this case, I'll create a student. Enter the new user's details. All fields on the screen are mandatory, including any custom fields that might be specific to your organization, like program. You'll notice that once you've filled in the user's first name and last name, the display name field will autofill with that information. Lastly, decide whether you require the user to validate their user details upon their next login. You'll use this with the Require User to Validate on Next Login checkbox. This is usually a good idea when creating someone else's profile so that they can confirm that you didn't make any typos in their information. Clicking Submit saves the new user, and you'll see a success message appear on the top left of your screen. The user information was successfully updated. You can then reach out to the individual, maybe by an email, and notify them of the user login, email, and password that you used to create their account. Since you've created the user's account for them, they can use either their login or their email to log into Möbius. But if they created their own account through self-registration, they'll only be able to use their email to log in. And that's how you create a single user with the Add User option in Möbius. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this video to be helpful. Want to see what else you can do in Möbius? Be sure to check out the links to the Möbius online help in the video description, as well as our other Möbius video guides. Subscribe to the DigitalEd channel to be the first to know when a new video comes out. And don't forget to hit that like button.